I think community is all about heart. And so wherever I go, I try to recreate that feeling of what the heart of community is. And that's love and nurturing. So much of what community means to me comes from where I came from. When I think of everyone that we support, I want that for them so badly. I want them to have so much to look forward to have meaningful moments, to know that it's not somewhere that we go, it's where we are, and that they would have purpose and know that they are a part of something beautiful, and that's community. And I try to create that for the people that we're supporting because they do deserve all of those things. They deserve everything that the community has to offer and they have to offer.
Visibility of the individuals. And I think that's something that has come a long way. I know that in the past, they get sent out to XYZ facility and then they're kind of just tucked away. But, in general, it has gotten, and especially within CORE, people have become more accepting that not only do individuals with various disabilities exist, but they've got family, they've got friends, and they deserve to have the opportunity to not only have those relationships, but the chance to maybe build more, the chance to find fulfillment in their life rather than being put in a place, in a little box, so that nobody has to worry about it.